Hey my YouTube friends, welcome back to my channel. So today is my final Chanel unboxing. I know I went a little bit crazy in Paris and I actually bought 4 Chanel handbags here. Yeah, I think I got no luck at the Hermes store because they are appointment only, but fortunately Chanel gave me a lot of love and their sales associates are just like the sweetest, and they offered me some really great handbags, and this particular one I'm going to unbox today is highly sought after. I think it's sold out everywhere in the US, but I'm just really excited that I can actually got my hands on this bag. If you saw this bag, you will notice that it's very similar to the other bag that I unboxed before. So if you haven't watched my other unboxing videos, please check them out. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And without further ado, let's get straight into it. Okay, so let's take the camellia flower off. Let's just put it here. And yes, let's unbox it together. As I mentioned in my previous video, because I came to the Chanel store, so this is Chanel's first store in Paris, and so that's why like the packaging is very special. So unlike the original, well, the typical black box and also like the black, shopping bag, they actually offer a white shopping bag and also like a white box. So I really love this packaging because it's just like very special memory from Paris. So are you ready? So here the box has magnetic closure, and let's just get rid of the sticker together. I love every time how they I was going to take it off the dust bag, but you can already see the color of the bag. I'm just like amazed every time like how they wrap this bag. Okay, let's see how can let me just take this off. Ta-da! Yes, so this is the mini CF with the Pro Crush. I know this bag is really highly sought after because of the style, because this is like the big mini or rectangular mini, and it comes with the Pro Crush. I think the Pro Crush is the most famous and most popular design of like the newest Chanel designer, and because this is an adjustable chain, so you can pretty much like press on this CC logo, and then you can just like pull this little like golden ball down, and then you can just like adjust the length of the chain like so. And why I decided to get this bag is because it's in this gorgeous avocado green color. How cute it is. I think this is a very fresh color. It would be perfect for the spring and summertime. Just imagine that you're wearing, a white shirt with jeans, and this will be a perfect, spring summer bag. Or if you want to wear it, in winter times, it will probably work as well. So for the hardware, this is in the vintage or antique gold hardware. I think this hardware and leather combination is just perfect. I know I mentioned multiple times in my previous channel that I do not consider lambskin handbag, but yeah, I broke my promise this time because it's just like too gorgeous. I don't think for the Pro Crush they come in anything in caviar leather, so only in lambskin. And let's just open it like so. Yeah, the lambskin is like super soft. I feel like it feels like a pillow or something. So it's like really soft when you touch it. And then I feel like your quilting is a little bit different. Although it's the same like diamond quilt, but I think how the stitches is a little bit like more casual. So as you can see, like it comes with a really, casual vibe. And in the back, similar to the other, rectangular mini, it also has this back pocket. So it will be really easy for you to put your most frequently used credit card or something in the back pocket. And inside is just like one big compartment. Unlike the other, the previous seasons, So for this season, I'm not sure whether you can see it in the camera, but it has this like gold plated, you know, kind of authenticity card instead of like the, you know, the typical or the classic authenticity card of Chanel. And inside it just has this little zip pocket and also kind of like a card slot here. And let me show you. On the bottom, I think this is what differs from at least the mini, the rectangular mini that I have. So instead of having like a flat bottom, I think this one is a little bit, you know, kind of also like puffy. So I guess like the overall, the bag is really like squeeze, you know, you can kind of like squeeze this bag and then it's like really, really soft. So I feel like you're pretty much holding a marshmallow in your hand. But yeah, so this is my 4th Chanel bag that I got from Paris. I might not keep all of them because I'm still debating between this one and the black, you know, square mini. Also comes with the Pro Crush. So please comment down below and let me know like which one should I keep. So I probably just give one to my friend and just keep the other one to myself. So do you think I should keep this avocado green one, or should I keep the most classic black color rectangular mini with the Pro Crush? So please do comment down below and let me know. Alright, so I hope you enjoyed today's video, and I really enjoy, you know, filming all of them with you and do all the unboxing with you. I know I went a little bit crazy, but you know, I haven't shopped with Chanel for over like maybe 3 years now, so this is like my kind of like first set of purchases after 3 years. So I think yeah, just finding excuses to reward yourself and kind of, you know, kind of spoil yourself, right, with some shopping because we're in Paris. All right, I hope you enjoyed today's video, and if you do, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye guys.